Hi everybody, today we're going to be making sauteed cabbage. It's quick, it's easy, and it is so delicious. In my opinion, it is the best way to cook a cabbage. I'm going to be using a half of a small cabbage, and we're going to just tear it into medium-sized pieces. I know some people like to kind of shred their cabbage into really small pieces, but to me it just doesn't taste the same. Next, I'm going to cut about 1/4 of a medium onion, a red onion. You can use brown onion if you like, doesn't matter. But yeah, you're gonna cut that into fairly small pieces. Then you're gonna combine your onion and your washed cabbage into a pan and season it up. I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil. That's about 3 to 4 capfuls. Then I'm gonna add salt. I'm using a grinder. It's about 4 grinds. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, a little less than 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're going to put it on high heat, and I'm going to put a lid on it just to keep some of that heat in there, and it just makes it cook a lot quicker. And the rest of the cooking is just stirring and covering, and you're going to be doing that until it's done, and it takes about 7 to 10 minutes, if that. It's not much in this recipe, but I promise you, it is seasoned to perfection. And this, I know I put cayenne pepper in here, but it's not really spicy. It's not spicy at all, really. But you can kick it up, add some more cayenne pepper, or you can add some crushed red peppers to kick up the spice, and oh, it is so bomb. But not everybody is into really spicy foods like I am, so we're just gonna leave it like this. You're gonna cook it until it's tender yet crisp. It's going to be right in the middle. It's not going to be crunchy, but it's also not going to be mushy soft. I don't know if you guys have watched my ramen video, but this is a great substitute for the spinach. I actually prefer to put cabbage in it. I'll attach a picture at the end of the video with cabbage in the ramen, just so you can see what I'm talking about if you haven't seen the video. But anyways, it's all done, and oh, look at that. It looks so delicious. This is enough for one person if you're looking to get full, but it's also enough for 2 people if you're going to have something else to eat. As always, I hope you guys try it and enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.